Hi there, welcome to our channel FleeTech. In this video, we'll talk about how to move BNB from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com. So for this, first of all, we need to generate a BNB deposit address in Crypto.com. So for this, log in with your crypto account and navigate to Wallet section. Then locate for BNB and click on Deposit. So now choose the BNB Smart Chain network for compatibility with Trust Wallet and lower fees. Copy the generated BNB deposit address. Now to transfer BNB from Trust Wallet, you need to open Trust Wallet and go to the Send section. Select BNB and choose the Send option. Paste the Crypto.com BNB deposit address you copied earlier in the recipient field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer and confirm the transaction and wait for it to proceed. It's crucial to double check the network you are using. Using the wrong network, like BEP20, can lead to the loss of your funds. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.